I just got early access to a print-on-demand tool that will help you find successful niches that you can sell in. I'm excited about this one because I've been using their Chrome extension for a very long time. To see it in web app form, well, let's just say this is going to be a total game changer for print-on-demand sellers. The tool in question is the new Prettymerch research tool, and I want to show you what it is and how you can find successful niches using it. This is the first and only video out there showing you this awesome tool. If you've ever used Prettymerch before, let me know down below in the comments. It used to be that you needed a Merch by Amazon account to get access, as it was a Chrome extension that lived on your Amazon merch seller dashboard. Now that they're bringing out a standalone web app, anyone will be able to use it and access this really cool data. Let's have a look. This is a demo account and it's currently still in beta, which makes sense. And today I'm going to be showing you the homepage and the trends page. You can see we have all these tabs on the left. They're currently grayed out, but they will be ready on release day. The one I'm most looking forward to is the training tab. I personally created a series of training videos going through some print-on-demand techniques and structured step-by-step concepts to help you get more sales with your print-on-demand business. I really think everyone is going to benefit from those videos. For now, let's start with the homepage. Here are quick bits of information for you. We can see the top sellers on Amazon in the last 24 hours, the most consistent sellers based on a 30-day average BSR, and we can see what's gaining momentum, which is very important because these designs haven't yet reached their peak, which means they're not too saturated. And then we have the latest uploads as well. Underneath that, there are popular keywords in the last 24 hours. We can quickly click to search in Google Trends, Google, and go straight to the Trends tool within Prettymerch. Of course, like all research, don't ever look at any of these designs and just copy them or rip them off. I would never condone stealing like this. Instead, just take inspiration from them. There are so many niches and so many ideas out there. There is plenty of room for your ideas as well. And that was just the homepage. Now let's check out the trends page. If you've ever used the Chrome extension, this may look familiar. Personally, I absolutely love the UI and the UX of this tool. I find it so easy to use and it's lightning fast. When I click search, it just loads almost instantly, and I've used a lot of tools in the past and none are this fast. With this area of the tool, we can see so much more. We can organize by marketplace, by product, and then we can sort the results by a whole load of options. After doing the initial search, we can then either click the product to go to Amazon's website, or we can click through and see a more detailed overview of the product, its bullets, and most importantly, the keyword analysis. How would I use this tool for maximum growth potential? 1. I would note down all the top selling niches based on a 30-day average BSR. This is how I would find good evergreen niches. 2. I would note down all the top selling niches based on the most sales. This is how I would find hot trending ideas for the here and now. 3. I would then search for those specific niches in the search field and write down 15 to 20 designs I see. 4. I would then break those designs down to their core ideas and create my own spin-offs and unique phrases in that same niche. 5. I would then use the trademark search to make sure it's okay in various countries. 6. I would then note down the top performing keywords. And 7, after making the design, I would upload it to all major print-on-demand sites. This is exactly how I came up with my 30 days of ideas calendar. This tool is really insane, and when all the features unlock and it's released on the 2nd of September, I think it's going to blow you away. Currently, Pretty Merch is in a pre-launch phase, which ends on the 1st of September. In this pre-launch, you're able to get 57% off the full price. They're offering both the Pro Plus Chrome extension and the full web app for $149 instead of $349. You would get access to the Chrome extension and the training videos straight away, and then you'd get access to the web app on the 2nd of September when it launches. The reason why I'm so excited about this one is because I have a direct input in what features this tool has, and I also know which features are coming with this tool, and it's epic. The truth is, this tool is going to be worth way more than this discounted price when it launches. But literally for a few more days, you are able to get this at $149, which I believe is 57% off. And that's the main reason why I requested early access, so that I could show you this tool and show you this offer before it was too late. Click the link down below if you do want to get access to this tool at this crazy price.